Hello, everybody. Michael Palacci here with Digital Marketing in 60 Seconds or Less. Let's get started. Today on episode 38, we'll continue talking about the question and answer section on your Google My Business listing. Let's start with a quick tip. When a question or answer is posted, you have the opportunity to hit the like button. This acts as an upvote, allowing the most liked questions and answers to rise to the top. Let's get back to today's discussion. Since this is open source, Google does give any user the opportunity to flag or report spammy or malicious questions and answers. You can flag anything that meets the following criteria: off topic, no longer applies, advertising or spam, hate, violence, or inappropriate, incorrect information, or something else. Don't shy away from using this feature when necessary. Inappropriate information or spam is one of the top reasons you should be monitoring your Q&A section religiously. Remember, anyone can pose a question or an answer. So that's it for Digital Marketing in 60 Seconds or Less. We'll see you tomorrow.